Hello, welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 7. Today we're going to be talking about making an organized list. So this is a great strategy for when you get to word problems where you're kind of not so sure what to do and we don't want to make any mistakes by going too fast. Making an organized list is really going to help you out. So notice over here we have a table. It's called a table. And we've got, well, if one friends, we'd need 8 stamps. If there were 2 friends, we each get 4 stamps. 3 friends, not possible. Because if I count by threes, I don't hit 8, right? I go 3, 6, 9. I jump right over 8. So that one does not work. If I have 4 friends, I would need 2 stamps. So it's just kind of really a nice way to lay out all of your information so you can look at it easily and solve the problem. So let's get started. All right, so here in our first problem, we have Eva. She is giving away 8 stamps. Each friend will get an equal number of stamps. How many friends could get the stamps? Now, this is the example that I used on the last page, just talking about how to make an organized list. So when we have a word problem, any word problem, not just the ones on here, we should go through this same kind of steps. There we go. That's what we're looking for. What facts do we know? We know Eva is giving away 8 stamps to her friends. And she wants to give each friend an equal number of stamps, right? Because we wouldn't want to give one friend 4 and one friend 3. Then the one that got 3 might be a little upset that it wasn't fair, right? What do we need to find? The number of stamps. Oh, kids, friends. Let's do friends. So that's what it says in our question. The number of friends she could give stamps to. All right, our plan is we're going to make an organized list to see the ways I can divide 8 evenly. Here we go. If I take the total number of stamps and I divide it by the numbers 1 through 8, right? I know I cannot give to more than 8 friends because I only have 8 stamps, right? So that'd be 1 stamp per friend. So Eva can give. So if I look over here, I could give 1 friend all 8 stamps. I could give 2 friends 4 stamps each, 4 friends 2 stamps each, or 8 friends 1 stamp each. So she can give an equal number of stamps to 1, 2, 4, or 8 friends. Does your answer make sense? Yes, because look at the factors of 8. What numbers multiply together to make 8? That's what I'm going to write. The factors of 8. Remember, factors are numbers that multiply together to make 8. Are 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. So it makes sense that 1, 2, 4, and 8 are the options, right? Because they're the factors. Okay, next question says, Ian is numbering the pages of his journal, 1 through 48. He wants to start a new section after every 8 pages. On what page will each new section begin? Okay, so what facts do I know? We have 48 pages in the notebook, in the journal. Okay, we also know a new section every 8 pages. Okay, so what do we need to find? We need to find what pages will the new section begin? Will the new section begin? That's what we're looking at. So our plan is we are going to make an organized list. Not just any kind of a list, but an organized list. There we go. Okay, so here was what I did for my organized list. I said these are going to be the new sections, and these are going to be the page numbers. So the first new section is on page 8, second is on 16. I wonder if you're noticing any patterns with this. Third is on 24, fourth is on 32, 5 is on 40, 6 is on 48. Okay, so we're just counting by 8s, aren't we? Or we're multiplying. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. So what are the new page numbers? We have them here. New sections will begin on pages 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Does your answer make sense? Yes. The new sections will begin on the multiples. Look at that. We can use some vocabulary. The multiples of 8, right? Our count by numbers. We count by 8s, and those are going to be our new sections. All right, I just wanted to do one example quick on page 474. Problem number 2 says Camille rides a bus to work. To get downtown, she can ride any bus number between 11 and 34 that can be divided evenly by 3 and is an even number. Oh my goodness. So which numbers are the buses that Camille could ride to work? Let's make multiples of 3. Ready? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write first spot is multiples for my organized list. Remember, we should be using organized lists. And then I want to say, well, they're all going to be divided by 3. So then I want to go even. And then we could put a Y for yes, N for no. So let's count by 3. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and I got to go through 34. Okay, I'm just going to start at 34. Sorry. Let's just start, 11, I mean. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. I gotta scooch up a little bit. And lastly, 33. Okay, even? Yes. No. Look at this. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Look at another pattern. No. Okay, so what ones can she ride? She can ride bus 12. She can ride bus 18. She can ride bus 24. She can ride bus 30. So she's got 4 options of buses she can ride to get to work. Look at this beautiful. Okay, it's not really that beautiful, but look at that organized list. That is really going to help us out when we are problem solving. So that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching.